tutorial I'll be showing you how to check your registerable costs and fees. So when you come to your Google, just type fees checker, which is this one, fees checker, and you enter it, you'll see a registerable costs and fees checker. Click on it, it will take you to the website. You can join them on their website channel or join the Telegram group when you tolerate for Noun students if you have not joined before. So in this tutorial I will show you how to check your registerable costs and fees. So you can see here they are already started to show you how to navigate here. School fees checker, which is this one. They say select by faculty, select by faculty, program and level and semester to display, which is what we are going to do here. Let us look over and select our faculty of education. Our faculty of education, which is this one. We will say program. We enter program, maybe in primary or French or English, anyone or any childhood education. I'm just picking randomly. So if you are in another faculty, you can also pick the one that you are into. So level, select level, this level. So I'm going to pick 100 level as example, so that we only the 100 we can also register. You can also register in the one you are into. So you pick the first or second semester. I'm picking second semester or first semester if you want. Then you see to display. You click on here, this display. So they will bring out our course. So registerable courses and fees breakdown. This is for people that is into early childhood education. So you can see the courses that I want to study. Once you pay your school fees in Noun Open University website, your student portal, you will see all these things that it is there on your portal. They will give you the unit you are going to pay. So look at the money they are going to pay here, 61,750. And the good thing is that you can also download it or screenshot it to your system or your phone. So that is a good thing here. So look at what you are going to pay. Your school fees for this semester is 30,250. Your exam fee here is 13,500. Total cost register fee is 18,000 naira. Total cost unit is 18 units. Your cost, the borrow cost is 14 units. All those things are what this they have also break down everything for you. Remember that we have a software application skill which you call computer science. You will see there on your portal. This course have practical. If they give you this course, make sure that you are in the school, because you don't have the exam for it. You will have the practical and they will grade you 100% for it if you do your practical very well in the school. So you can also go back here if you want to check another course, or for your friend you want to check for them. This makes it okay, just remove it. So come back here and also do the same thing. You can also play with this and read the instruction or what they are saying here. So another good thing here that we're going to show you how to also print generate your project slip, generate your seminar slip, generate your exam clearance. Yeah, remember that if you go to cafe, they will charge you 1,000 for all this, but I'm going to teach you how to do it by yourself and fill it. Go to your nearby cafe in your area and print it down, then document it, then go to your school for them to sign it for you. But make sure before you do everything, you have to print everything, take it to the school. They will help you, they will sign for before you start animating it. Or they are doing the proper, you know how we do normally do it. So you click on here, remove this at the end. So click on here, you see generate your Noun examination clearance slip and submit for approval. You can see you must submit it for approval. They must sign before you take it to the exam, or this is what they will give you. So if you want to do it, student examination clearance form, fill out the form below. You can fill this form for here, or you can print it without filling it. It's your choice. But I will say that if you fill it, that it will be okay, very nice to see. Because of people will start using Bible to write. They will not complete their courses. So when you done everything, you click on generate. So you see what you are already filled up with. But now I don't feel everything. That is why the thing is not complete. So that is why the thing, if you assume that I fill everything here, you see everything will be here, and your courses will be here. So this is where your school center director will sign. Everybody that they require here, they will sign it here before you attach your passport or sign. Remember that you will not make your signature here and then until they sign this document. The day they sign it, that's when you put it here, so that you will not have any issue with your pass. With your pass, the way you want to pass it, for example. Another one that you can put that into projects. This you can also generate it here as well. Generate this thing as well here. Do the same thing. Then click on generate. You can also read how it works. You can also click it. I already download it here, but I'm not doing anything. So I'm not doing any project. So that is a good thing about this website. You can also check your TML, TML total mark here, how they do it here. So you can also check, just play with this website. I will put every audio link here on this video so that you can easily to get it. You can also check your course material. You can download them here. This is where you can download these course materials. Just click on it, just put your entire code course. You put it here. Everything will be here for you. Free of charge. You can also join them on their Facebook, LinkedIn, anyone that you want to join, you can join them. You can be checking you can be having discussion. You can also do your exam mock here if you have not done it before. Exam mock to prepare yourself for exam mock. Just put your login. Already have an account, just put your login, just prepare yourself, right? Even if you fail, there's no require anything. There's just to play around and know what you are doing. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel. Subscribe so that you'll be the first person to get any new video.